Hey guys, my Man Outdoors here. Today we are in Charleston, South Carolina for my bachelor party. These two guys right here, my brother John and Jimmy, hooked me up with a charter, and we're very excited to go out into the Charleston Harbor and catch some redfish, drum. Who knows what's going to happen, but stay tuned for this adventure.
I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it, no matter how hard we try.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Front row, we got double, front row, we got double.
Go, go, go.
Oh! Told y'all, keep on reeling, stay on them. Alright, so you're probably going to land on that side.
On this side?
Yeah. And he's probably going to start to go turn in a second. And you know, once he gets close, it's not as important to keep the rod tip high, it's more important to keep that braid off the boat.
Off the boat? All right.
Yep. They're smart, they'll try to break you off. Well, I see him, he's beautiful.
Holy cow! Woo! Holy mackerel!
It's a redfish.
I know.
Somebody said that yesterday. Holy mackerel! I was like, no,
not the right one.
Mackerel. Here you go. All right, you got a stingray?
You got him? All right, we'll get him.
Release him a little bit slow. Just kind of hold on to his tail and pick it later.
All right, Jim, put that video on and then put it sideways. Yeah, sideways.
All right.
Whoa, it took off. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's awesome. Woo. Nice job, John.
All right,
Let's go.
What up, boy? Yeah, that's a toadfish.
Oh, cool.
So do me a favor. Still on there? Yeah. Good deal.
Oh yeah. No way. Jimmy, you're catching the roach random fish today.
What up, bro?
Wow.
We're on the boat? What deal? That's crazy.
that button. And what a sun to catch this on. Nice sun to catch it on too.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, right there.
Well, you got it. It'll be right there.
Man, this day, let's go, baby. Yeah! Woo! Let's go, baby! Nice. Great job, John.
Oh.
What up? High five. I love it. Yeah.
There we go.
Dude, that is freaking sweet. Nice.
Nice.
Whoa.
All right, I'll take it from you.
Well, guys, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for joining here on Miami Mad Outdoors. We got Captain Griffin, the man. If you're in Charleston, definitely hit him up. I'm gonna put his Instagram down below, but hit him up if you're in the Charleston area to catch some big red bulls. And as you see on the camera, it was a great time. So, John, Jimmy, thank you so much for taking me out here on the bachelor party. And guys, until the next adventure.